Hi, I'm Alexander Couture from René, Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to talk to you about my three new styles, Harper, Avalon and Amara. I'm also going to be talking to you about my inspiration and how I find the inspiration to create each style. And why do I create each style with those kind of inspirations? Well, the idea behind that is we are a very celebrity obsessed world these days. And once upon a time, we used to go into the salon and have a picture in a hair magazine and say to your stylist, you know, this is how I want to look. But now I think with the likes of Instagram and different social media platforms, the very accessible world of what is going on with models, celebrities, fashionistas all across the world, we have that information at our fingertips within seconds. So Harper, who did I inspire and who did I get the inspiration for Harper with? Well, if you want to take a look at Harper and the movement, you can see it's very similar to Kim Kardashian's hair. So this was inspired by Kim Kardashian and also Mila Kunis, who has worn her hair very much like this, but this is very much a Kim Kardashian style. That lovely long straightness within the piece just looks gorgeous. And this is Harper, and we're showing this in the colour Coffee Latte R, which is a rooted colour which has highlights and lowlights. This is Avalon, and Avalon is in a colour which is completely unique to the Alexander Couture Collection. This is Smoke Ivory, and this is a brand new colour. But today we're talking about our celebrity inspirations. So what was my celebrity inspirations with Avalon? Well, Avalon, I love this curl. I love this beachy curl, and this can be brushed out into a bit of a wave. But I would like you to take a little look at J-Lo. In J-Lo's gorgeous centre part, gorgeous kind of curl pattern. We're very inspired with J-Lo. We also had a little nod to Rihanna. Rihanna wears this kind of flatter on top, but then this gorgeous kind of, sometimes wears it very formed, like Avalon the curl, but sometimes brushed out. And also Drew Barrymore. Drew Barrymore wears that gorgeous centre parting with that lovely kind of curl, a bit of a formed curl, but again can be brushed and broken into more of a beachy look. Okay, so I'm coming to the final style for my new styles for this year, and this is Amara. Okay, Amara is a gorgeous little pixie. I'm showing her in ice blonde today, which is a tipped colour. So you can see that the ends of the ice blonde are actually tipped. So it gives you a really kind of fashionable kind of blonde ends coming in there. Lovely colour, very kind of nice and icy kind of tone on tone blonde. But back to the style. So Amara is a machine made, choppy, kind of little pixie haircut with a long fringe, which makes it very on trend at the moment. The celebrity inspirations here was probably Kris Jenner. So if you look at Kris Jenner's lovely haircut, very similar to that. Also Halle Berry. When Halle Berry wears her hair shorter, she loves that kind of lovely texture, that kind of really nice choppiness, but always has femininity, does Halle Berry, with some length and some softness in areas. And also Jennifer Lawrence. Jennifer Lawrence, who has many different hairstyles and always looks gorgeous. When she wears her hair shorter, she wore her hair very similar and also in a very similar colour to ice blonde. Hence why I wanted to show you an ice blonde today. Thank you for tuning in today. I am Alexander Couture. You've been watching me at the René of Paris channel. Remember, follow us on all forms of social media and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.